Bismillah ar-Rahman ar-Rahim. Today's our lesson, the sound of N, which is called Tanween, and some special characters of Arabic. We will do it. Before explaining, just for personality, just think about it, focusing on minor religious issues and ignoring major religious commandments is an unbalanced attitude which must be avoided. You know that many religious people, on the biggest issues, they avoid it, and some minor issues with some dispute or some discussion or disagreement, so they focus more on issue. This is a mistake, so we'll have to avoid this. We should focus on, especially in the Quran, whatever is written to us, so we should focus on that only. For just some disagreement with scholars, so you will make decision by yourself, and whatever you think is right, work on that, but don't just biased with other people. So this is a suggestion. So now we start with the Arabic. In this lesson, we will introduce the special sound by default. Arabic noun, like you know that noon, it is like N, like this in English. But this noon is not written sometimes, and its style will become like is double fatha, like this. So this also become noon. Similarly, in kasara, double kasara, it also become N or noon, like this. Examples, similarly, dhamma, it also become double. Example you can see is un, or similarly an, like this. In English you can see done, shan, like this. Similarly in, bin, un, like this. This happens. So like this, double fath, double kasara, and double dhamma might happen in many words. Face the challenge. Now challenge I will share with you. Examples are there. First I will try, and then you try the, like with double fath, with alif it become an, with kasara it become in, double dhamma will become un. Similarly ban, bin, bun, tan, tin, tun. So for all the other letters, try by yourself. Like an, un, ghun, ghin, ghun. Please do the practice by yourself. So this also happen in this way. Now some special characters I will share with you as well, which are not in the normal letters. You can see this sound with this oo, like this. This happen. Like special this one. This might happen like this. Similarly, another, this letter, if with alif it become long. Like this. If there is like this, so it is silent. This is used as silent. Don't try to it. Similarly with ta also write in that style. Similarly, ha also become like this, ha. So this is actually in Arabic, and also the same scenario with Urdu as well, that some letters become half and then they merge with other words. So this is the scenario of Arabic, Urdu, and Persian as well, the same scenario. So please just note this one. This like this have same sound. So please note this one. In Arabic, an alif is always considered silent. So at the end of that, this is usually silent. It is not possible to have any movement on it. If there is a movement on an alif, it is not a real alif. It is a hamza. It is called hamza. Hamza. This hamza, like example is hamza wasili is called. This is the terminology of especially the Arab style. So this happen like this. These are just simply silent. Simply. So what I am explaining you, because when you will listen the Quran, so you might found these letters and but they become silent. So please note this. These letters might be silent sometimes. Like this ya as well, this might be silent. And this silent in this way, like this word Allah, like this. But it become Ali sometimes. So please note this one. So the main objective is whenever you listen the Quran, so please note that this might happen. And this language, this happens, so this is not a big issue. That whenever you listen it in the Quran, and it is especially written format is available with you, then you will see the practice in that way. So it will not a big issue for you. Okay? As you note, please note these things, and with some examples I will share with you, and then you will practice by yourself. Like this abadan, safaratun, ahadun, suhufan, akhaza, samadun, azina, tabakun, amara, tabakan, ana, tuwa. This tuwa is an exception. This ya is there, but it's silent. Tuwa. So now practice by yourself, please. Majority of Arabic nouns have a tanween, which is by default. Tanween is what? Double. Fath, like this. Inaban, like this. Inaban. Or zikrun. Amadin. So please note this one and practice by yourself, please. Like this, ya is silent. Hudan, like this. Hudan. Similarly, again, it is silent. Aba. This alif is silent. Kufuvan. Alif is silent. Lubadan. Then also you can see this alif is silent. These are the examples. For the Quran is the only book in the world which is memorized by millions of people. Almost every Muslim memorizes some part of the Quran to recite in his or her prayer. There are people who memorize to complete Quran. They are called Hafiz. And with Hafiz, with YouTube, you can see a lot of examples. There are millions of people who memorize the Quran 100%. In your city as well, you will find it. Okay, some other examples. Ja'a, Ji'a, like this. You can see Naran. So please try by yourself first, then see in the Google Translate and see whether it is an error from you or not. This ma'in, I have given a lot of examples of different words. Look, this one, ta'amun, yakhafu. I'm giving some examples. Kareem, this Kareem, Mihadan, like this. Yatiman, like this. So please try by yourself. This is some difficult. Mawdu'atun, Mawdu'atun. Similarly, Mawazinuhu, Mawazinuhu. I'm giving you examples, but try you have by yourself. Irtada, Irtabtum, Artabtum, Irtabtum. This is like this. Irtabtum. Sa'a, Qur'anun. As'asa, As'asa, with Ain. As'asa. Kushitat, Qirtasan. So please try. Mu'siratin. I have given a lot of examples in the Quran. Yadhakuna. Now this is an exception. Some words have an exception. This is what you will pronounce it. You will, I am sure, you will speak in this way, majriha. But this is an exception. This will be majreha, like this. So this word, majreha, this will be pronounced in that way. Mu'siratin, al-qari'atu, like this. So these are the some examples. So please try it and recheck in the Google Translate. Whatever your errors, you will improve by yourself. Next topic will be double letter. So please, whatever questions prepare in your mind, feel free to send to my email, and in that you can find whatever question appear in your mind. I will help you. Now your question will be that in these lectures we are now pronouncing only. So when we will start the meaning we will do after 11th lecture. Inshallah, we will start this one. So thank you very much. Thanks a lot taking time from you.